Welcome back to my channel, my donuts, and today's video we're gonna be actually cocinando con Eli. So these are the ingredients you're gonna need: some chicken, tomatoes, tortillas, aceite, and I don't know why those potatoes are there, but anyways, you do need more stuff, but I forgot to put it in there. LOL. So let's get started. The first thing I did was get a pan, put some oil in it, let it heat up, and then throw my onions in there. And I just twirled them around in there until they heated up. And then I'm going to go ahead and throw in the tomatoes. I diced up the tomatoes. This is just to give my chicken flavor. I'm going to squish them a little bit, and then you'll see in the next slide how they're supposed to look. But yeah, just go ahead, throw them around, and wait for them to heat up a little bit. So this is how they're supposed to look, like this. I squished them a little bit and let them heat up, and also I let the onion heat up, and then I'm gonna add my chicken. I did forget to show that I put chicken bouillon in it. So it's onions, tomatoes, and a little bit of chicken bouillon mixed all together, and then you just let the the chicken cook until it's fully done. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. Now that your chicken is all cooked and done, you can go ahead and heat up your tortillas either over the stove or in the microwave, whatever is your preference. And then after that, just go ahead and start rolling your flautas. So here, enjoy Junior putting and rolling up the flautas. Now that your flautas are all cute and rolled up, you're going to put them in aceite caliente so they can get crispy and crunchy and good. And then they're going to go ahead and look like this when they're ready. And for the toppings, I put crema, lechuga, tomates, and cheese. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking video of me. And there will be plenty of more to come. Bye!